Me and Kay down at the park trying to get some fishing in. We got a family of geese over here chilling. So, looks like we might have got skunked, but we did get to enjoy this beautiful day. Oh!
No, again. I just lost another.
Lost a squeak. That's all right. Get him again, Kay. Kay just pulled up a monster. Let me zoom in on this.
Did you see
Let
this?
me zoom in on it. Hold it. Yeah. Look at this little guy.
Oh my gosh, you giant.
He's cute. All right. Get him, bud. Yep. Right down that spine. Hold him tight. Don't crush him. Freaking hands. There we go. He's all right.
I'm gonna keep him.
Give him a kiss, Kay. Come on, man. Toss him.
He's so funny.
What's up, man?
It was in his dozen.
I saw it.
Yep.
Oh, there we go. Swing it over. Yeah. Nice fish, Kay.
Thanks.
Good job. All right.
I think it's stuck in his mouth.
Is it deep? Hold the line at least. Let's see.
Oh.
Try to get the worm out a little bit so we can see. Bud. Oh, he swallowed it. Man. All right, finally got him unhooked. Let's see if he's okay. Oh, he's swimming kind of funny, but maybe he'll get some air in there and start swimming away. Up. Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on, squirt.